Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your Upwork earnings are tracked correctly, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify your Upwork earnings are tracked correctly, begin by logging into your Upwork account. Navigate to the Reports section in the main menu. Select earnings from the drop-down options available. Review the total earnings displayed on this page. Check for any discrepancies between your expectations and the total amount shown. Next, click on Reports and then choose Work Diary. Examine the work diary for each contract you have. Confirm that all hours worked are accurately recorded in the work diary. If you see any missing entries, investigate further into the specific contract. In the Contracts section, click on each contract individually. Ensure the hours billed and payments released match your records. If you have fixed-price contracts, review the milestones completed. Check for any payments received for completed milestones. If there are issues, double-check the client's payment history. Look at the Messages tab for any communications regarding payment disputes. To streamline your review, filter by date ranges to catch any recent changes. Lastly, if everything appears correct, take a screenshot for your records. If you find discrepancies that need addressing, follow Upwork's dispute resolution process. Document all your findings and communicate clearly with the Upwork support team if needed. By following these steps, you can ensure your Upwork earnings are tracked correctly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.